I'm just gonna set you up on my tripod here. Just gonna put it on the ground here. Just gonna get it. Good morning. As you can see, I wrecked my tripod, and you know, it's not easy having the worst YouTube channel on YouTube. So yeah, I wrecked my tripod yesterday, and then when I dug it out of all the tree debris down there, I thought it would be funny if I pretended I was going to set it up, and then so I'm kind of fiddling on the ground. I was going to get it all level. In my GoPro camera, which is a GoPro 3, and it's super ancient. Anyways, the battery died, and that's why the beeping. Like, just the worst. So anyways, this morning I have a full day that I'm going to put in, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, maybe 6 rows of these pine trees, and then that'll be the first acre, and then I'm going to get the ground all done. There's some roots that I gotta kind of take the machine over, dig out the little remnants of roots that are sticking up, and then I'll go over it and smooth everything out, and then move on to the next. I don't know, maybe the next acre I might be able to start burning, but we'll see. I'll have to bring my dump in and try and speed things up, because I'm just using the excavator, and it's slow, right? But it's quicker than using the backhoe with the grapple. All right, let's get started.